So hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today we have an exciting and practical use case for Salesforce Marketing Cloud using MP Script. So imagine this: you are in HR and you need to automatically calculate employee bonuses based on their base salary. Instead of manual calculation, we will use MP Script multiple functions to do it dynamically. Sounds awesome, right? So let's dive in. So first we are creating the cloud based code. So here we have to go to the we are going to the add content and go to the landing pages, and here I am using the previous video code and make some changes on that because of that code is similar, and we have to only change the functions also. So in these use cases we have changed what is the challenge, like the HR teams wants to automate employee performance bonus calculations. The bonus percentage varies based on different factors like different department performance or tenors, and employees should be able to verify their bonus in real time via an interactive cloud pages. So what is the our solutions, like we will use MP scripts multiple functions to dynamically calculate the bonus. The email will include the calculate bonus and link to a cloud page for confirmations, and employees can verify their total salary and confirm their bonus with a single click. So yeah, so here now let's build the cloud page where employee can confirm their bonus. So in this first we have set all the parameters, all the attributes through the request parameters, and we will use the lookup rules also for the data extensions and their columns and attributes, and display employees name, this is a user friendly cloud page interface that is like a display employee name, base salary, bonus and total salary. So include a confirmation button to finalize the bonus. So here we have has set the conditions. If row count is greater than 0, then first name is field row number 1 and first name. Similarly, all of that till the base salary, this is we have to only copy that code for according to first name, similarly to first name set first name line. So and we have set the bonus percentage, that is a 0.10, and we have set the multiply functions which is like a set bonus amount is equal to multiply that is base salary and bonus percentage, and updated total salary is add total salary and bonus amounts. This is all about the our criteria for that for these for this code, and for our use cases accordingly. So this is after this we have see the live demo of our code. So So see, here is all of the code of our cloud pages of multiply function math functions. So and here we have write the same HTML code which we are using in our previous for our previous functions. So that is add and subtract function. Same that HTML code. Nothing is extra or extraordinary. So this is all about the simple of that code. So now here is all of our code which is related to our cloud the cloud based code scenarios according to our use cases by using the multiply functions. So now when we are going to the schedule and publish button and run this code, and after running this code we are going to the publish that page, that is that cloud page, and now see here is all here our page is publishing, and then we are going to the page properties, and here we have find the page id which we are include in our email content. So now we are going to the email content and create the new template for the for our emails. So yeah, so here go to the and give their unique name like a math I am giving their name like a multiply math functions, which is very appropriate for our use cases. So yeah, so this is the and drag the HTML code tag, and then we have write the code here for our according to our email related, email content related code, of course. So here we have here is how we set up our MP script to calculate the bonus dynamically. So here, as you can see, we are multiplying the base salary by 10% bonus percentage to get the final bonus. We have set up first name attribute values, first name, last name attribute values, last name. Similarly, first name, last name, base salary, and a total salary and email also. This is similar of the first line code. Just copy and paste all this. Nothing is special in these lines, so I'm not explaining so much with these lines. So here we have set this is important, we have set up a bonus percentage that is 10% bonus percentage to get the final bonus, okay, final bonus amount. So the email displays employee name, base salary, bonus amount, total salary including a bonus that is a link to the cloud base for a confirmation, what is the bonus amount employees get, or what type of bonus amount they get. So set bonus amount is multiply, this is the criteria, multiply base salary and multiply the base salary and bonus percentage, of course. So here is all about the bonus percentage and bonus amount functions and criteria, which we have already set. So now we have set the cloud page ID, which is most important for link the cloud page in our email content. So here is cloud page ID, our cloud page ID is 5334. So here we are setting the cloud page ID 5334, and then set all the related code, that is a related cloud page code, which is same for the previous videos code. So here is only important that both the line code, that is bonus percentage and bonus amount, which is where is using the multiply function. So this is and all the content and code is same according to the previous video. So this is all about the code of email content. So here we are setting here our page ID also different, which is obvious, and here we have set the cloud page code and cloud page URL code, that is cloud page ID and email, and then we are setting all the code, and this is all about the email content code according to our criteria and use cases. So yeah, this is, and here we have creating some HTML part, here creating some headings as hello, and giving the output first name and last name also, and set the code according to our criteria. So yeah, so this is all about the email content code. Now see here, this is all our email content code. This is all about the code requirement and code which we have written and according to our use cases, of course. So now we get the subject line, and here I have given the subject line multiply and then done, which is very random, nothing make serious or make appropriate. So this is as a demo purpose only. So now go to the next and preview and test, and here you can see the our hello Sophia version, and we are pleased to inform you that this is all about the message, and which is we are implemented through the code in our email content, and then we are going to the next deduction, and then here is hello David Miller, and according similarly for others. So then we are putting the click here link, and then we will see the use case criteria. See here bonus confirmation for Olivia, and here is all the details about the bonus and salary. So this is all about the multiply functions use cases. So yeah, so this is all about the obviously we can obviously go to the different names and see the different results for all of that employee. So this is all about the multiply functions we are using in the real use cases. So why is the this is the fully automated bonus calculations it's a key benefits, fully automated bonus calculations, real-time salary verifications, enhanced employee engagement, and scalable and customizable solutions. So this technique can be used for performance incentives and special allowances, or any dynamic calculations in your marketing cloud email. So the best part is it's completely automated. So if did you find this use cases useful, then have you implement something similar? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. And yeah, this is all about the Salesforce MP script math functions, multiply functions specifically. So yeah, so this is all about the multiply functions, and thank you so much.